Today we've got a '69 Roadrunner that was bought new by Dudley Jones about an hour from my shop. He bought the car to me about 7 years ago. We did a ground up restoration, and the car's a real blast to drive. He goes on power tour, he drives this thing quite a bit. We kept the original 383 in the bag, and now it's got a 512-inch 400 with Edelbrock heads, small solid cam, but it still looks bone stock under the hood. We rebuilt the automatic transmission and put a 3800 converter in it. And Dudley was wanting an overdrive, and I talked him into trying a 276 gear first to see how he likes it, and he loves it and has left it that way. This car is fairly unique in that it's a factory R4 red car with pewter interior, 6-way seats, buddy seat, automatic on the column, black vinyl top. We added cruise control so Dudley can cruise down the highway for hours and hours and his foot not fall asleep. The car came with 323 Sure Grip, light package, chrome 14-inch road wheels, and white wall tires from the factory. We specialize in cars that are built to drive. If you want a car that coughs and sputters off a car hauler, there are plenty of shops already doing that. Dudley's going to fire this thing up and take you for a ride.